Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So the question is, what is Etsy? So they are basically a marketplace where you can list products on. So they say you can sell handmade, vintage, custom, unique gifts, whatever you want. But here's how it works. So basically, it connects sellers and buyers. It's used for selling. It used to be like basically 100% used for handmade goods, but now they've expanded that to allow for print-on-demand products to be sold on there. So if you have a print-on-demand T-shirt or mug or necklace or whatever it may be, you can still sell that on Etsy. So it's very cool. They also trade on NASDAQ, which is neat. Now they do have fees, so every time you list on there, you get charged. I think it's 20 cents or 25 cents in Canada. But let's just go there and look. So here is the marketplace. They got a whole bunch of stuff on the front. If you end up on the front page, you're doing very well. So all these sellers list their products and they go on the front page. And then what will happen is, say I want to buy something for, I don't know, Father's Day mug. So I type that in as a buyer. And then these sellers show me all the products. So here's a baby photo gift for $27.15. It's a bestseller. Here's another one. I love how we don't have to say out loud that I'm your favorite child. Love, Rachel. Dads like you are harder to find than toilet paper during a pandemic. That's funny. Best dad ever. We love you. So the front and back. So simple stuff like that, right? So this seller, it's a best-selling mug. When you click on it, it goes through to the listing page. And from here, you can select if they have options. So the size, as well as the color. And then what you do is just add to basket, it says, which is like add to cart. The cool part too, if you're doing research on Etsy, you can see this review. This is for the entire shop. This shop, Wickedly Mod Inc., has 3,299 sales. That's quite a few. But this particular product has 155 sales. So if you think about it, whenever you buy a product, not everybody will review it, but a portion of people will. So if I want to get an estimate of how many mugs have sold, so I'll take 155 reviews for this item. I'll divide that, we'll say about 5% of people actually submit one. So you can do a safe, very conservative estimate and say that 3,100 of these mugs have sold. So if we multiply that by 21.92, that's like almost $68,000 from one mug. So there is a ton of money to be made on Etsy from a seller's point of view. And there's a ton of products that are sold on Etsy. So Etsy is a gigantic business, huge. You don't have to pay for ads, but you can. When you scroll down, you get more from this shop, as well as more from other shops. So the cool part is you can list stuff on here, and you can just rely on Etsy search in order to, I don't know why those are coming up, but you can rely on Etsy search in order for your products to show. So if I'm a seller, I create a store on Etsy. I upload products. I don't even know what rat earrings are. That's rat earrings. Wow. Very odd. You can probably find anything you want on here. Explore one-of-a-kind gifts for one-of-a-kind mom. Shop for Mother's Day. Okay. So here's a bunch of Mother's Day stuff that you could buy from these sellers. So it's just got a ton of traffic. There's a ton of people that use it. Let's go to here. Etsy traffic. SimilarWeb. Let's try this. How much traffic does Etsy get? This might be better. I don't know what this is going to show, but... Oh, there you go. Global rank, 61. It's in the top 100 websites in the world. Category rank in the US, or country rank, number 28. So think about how much traffic is in the US, and there's the total visits, 405.64 million. My God. Average duration, 6 minutes. Average pages per visit, 6.67. Bounce rate, 44.47. The bulk of the people are coming from the United States, with 10% from the UK, 5% from Canada, 3% from Germany. So it's amazing. Just amazing. Referrals. You can see where it's getting all its traffic to. BuzzFeed, Tumblr, Thingiverse. I don't even know what that is. I'm going to check that out. Kickstarter, Printful. And people end up on PayPal, right, when they pay for it. Etsy Static. I don't even know what that is. I'm going to check out a bunch of these after I shoot this video. So, yeah, they're huge. They're getting a ton of traffic, and you should be taking advantage of that with print on demand, or even if you're not doing print on demand, you can still take advantage of it. So Etsy, what is it? It's a marketplace where you can create a store, sell your products. People will find you. They already have a ton of traffic. You don't have to run ads at all. They do have their own internal ad system, but you don't even need to use it. So if you're thinking print on demand, I would definitely go with Etsy, 100%. They're awesome. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you check out my site, ppc-coach.com, as well as the free Facebook group, ppc-coach.com/group. All right. Have a great day.